Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Viprotech. Today we are going to download and install Google Sheet app in your desktop for Windows PC as well as Mac PC. So let's go. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser, log in your Chrome browser with your Google account. Then go to Google Apps, select Sheet option. Now Google Sheet will open in this Chrome browser, but we want in our desktop. For that, just go to these three dots here. Now go to Cast, Save and Share option. After that, click on Install a page as an app. Now the new window will pop up, prompting for installation. Just click on Install. Now the app is installed automatically. You can check it in your desktop. The icon will appear there. Now you can enjoy Google Sheet app from your desktop. Just double click it. It will open. You can create spreadsheet. You can open spreadsheet here. You no need to go to browser every time to create new spreadsheet. You can access from the desktop. In future, further you no longer want this app, you can uninstall from here directly. It will be removed from your desktop. For that, just go to these three dots, click on uninstall option. Click on this checkbox and uninstall. It will be removed from your desktop. This trick will save you lots of time while using Google Sheet. So guys, thank you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.